Okay, today we're going to learn about how to simplify radicals or radical expressions. Now, let's say we got the square root of 9. Uh, when I say simplify, is that means rewrite it in like in factors of the number that is inside. So we're gonna get factors of 8 in order to simplify it. So 8, the first factor that I can think is about 2. I can divide 8 by 2, so it will be 2 times 4 is the same as 8, right? And then the 2 is already in the simplest form, but the 4 I can also divide it by 2, so it can be 2 times 2 times 2 is the same as 8, right? So I can have a square root of 2 times 2 times 2 is the same as the square root of 8. Now that I have it here like this, the one that I have a couple of numbers like 2 and 2, this is a pair, so this one I can rewrite it as uh, 2 squared times 2 is the same as 8. So this one that is a square, and since it's multiplying, what is the opposite of a square root? A square. So these 2 can go outside of the square root, and it will be 2 times a square root of 2. And if we do it on the calculator to check this expression, it should be the same as a square root of 8. Let me show you another way to do it. It will be like you get the 8, and then you get just the factors, like 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4, 4, and then I need to know a number that I can divide by 4, which is 2. So it will be the answer is 2, and 2 divided by 2 will be 1. So my factors will be 2, 2, and 2. I got one pair, that one goes outside and the other one stays inside of the radical. Let's say another example. Let's say square root of 32. So 32 I can divide it by 2. So it will be 2 times 16 is the same as 32. 16 I can divide it by 2. So it will be 2 times 2 times 8 will be the same as the square root of 38. And then the 8 again I can divide it by 2. So it will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 4 will be the same as square root of 34. 32, I'm sorry. And then the 2 I can still divide it by 2. So it will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, the same as square root of 32. So here, how many pairs I have? 1 and 2. I'm going to have 2 pairs. Okay, like 2 squared times 2 squared multiplied by 2. And then these that are square, that are pairs, I can take them outside of the square root. So it will be 2 times 2 times the square root of 2. And then just to simplify, 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 times square root of 2 will be the same as a square root of 32. That's how you simplify radicals. So it pretty much is just uh, get the factors, like divide by 2, or you need to divide by 3, 5, 7, all the prime numbers until you get the smallest number. So like in the example, 32 divided by 2, 16, 16 divided by 2, 8, 8 divided by 2, 4, 4 divided by 2, 2, and 2 divided by 2, 1. So I have 5. 2 times 2 5 times will be the same as 32. So every pair goes outside, and the number that is odd, that will be inside of the radical. Okay.